Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making hot honey roasted walnuts. This fun take on classic honey roasted peanuts uses hot honey and walnuts in place of peanuts. Start by preheating your oven to 300 degrees. Add 566 grams of raw walnuts to a large mixing bowl. In a small pot, add 2 tablespoons of salted butter, 85 grams of hot honey, and 57 grams of cane sugar. While I'm using walnuts in this recipe, you can also use any kind of nut that you like, including peanuts, cashews, almonds, or even pecans. Put over medium heat and melt until the butter, sugar, and honey are completely combined. Remove from the heat and pour over the walnuts. Stir with a spatula to coat the walnuts completely. Transfer the honey-coated walnuts to a baking sheet that's lined with parchment paper and spread them out evenly. Bake at 300 degrees for 35 minutes and make sure to stir halfway through. To make the topping, in a small bowl, add 85 grams of cane sugar and 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt and mix together. Sprinkle the topping over the walnuts immediately after they come out of the oven so it sticks. Let the walnuts cool completely on the baking sheet and then break them up into pieces. Store these hot honey roasted walnuts in an airtight container in your pantry. I hope you enjoy these hot honey walnuts as much as we do. For more easy organic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.